Hi, in this video, we will learn about match. Match is a function which gives us the position of a particular value. So let's suppose that I have different value here like 110, 112, these IDs. If we wanted to see that what is the position in this data set for a particular 130, to find out this, we will use match. So let's suppose I will put here 117, and now I wanted to use this match function. To use this match function, we will use match, then use tab. It asks for lookup value. What value you wanted to look? So I wanted to look 117, then comma, then it asks for lookup array. So what is your lookup array? So this is my lookup array. Then what kind of match type you are asking for? There are three different match types are available. First is the less than match you are required. So you are looking for some value, but you are just searching for a next less value for that. The second option is zero. That is for exact match that we are going to do in this example. And the third is greater value. So let us suppose that you are going to check that value greater than that value, that you can use -1. Now after this, I will close my formula and it gives us value 8. So let us search. We can see this is the 8th value in this data set. Now let's do one more thing, that we will start our from here. Then what value it will give? It will give 9. So depending our data set choice means, like we have written here, A1 to A14 or A2 to A5. So it will start from this value, A1, A2 or A3, whatever you will start. From there, that will start counting the position.